casting news for tvN's new drama, Chicago Typewriter, is receiving a lot of interest with a lot of name-dropping, with actors Kim Soo Hyun and Song Joong Ki being the main focus until recently. Now it seems Yoo Ah In is looking into the project. Things still appear to be up in the air as far as whether Yoo Ah In would take the leading male role. It has been reported that actress Kim Soo Hyun has been requested to play the leading female role. YNK Entertainment stated, "Not much has been discussed at this point. It would be 13 years since Kim Soo Hyun's last drama in 2004, I'm Sorry, I Love You, if she were to take the role." Seo Hyun was also considered for the female role, however, tvN stated, "Nothing has been confirmed yet, as of now." The only confirmed actor is Jo Woo-jin, who left a powerful impression in the movie Inside Men and went on to 38 Task Force and Goblin.